So let us make it type of undefined, and that error should disappear. So we have that error fixed. So the thing we want to do is, let's make this okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and okay, having fixed that, let's see if, okay, we have another error here. So this error should be related to the opening and closing of the tag. Okay, maybe we remove this first. Okay, it has everything to do with this. So let's remove this, saying it's not assignable to this. So you can wrap it in another content, maybe a template, to fix that template. We are just using this for the time being, and later we'll change it. Okay. That is fine now. Then invalid end tag. So let's reopen it. Vue is known to, I don't know, maybe it's VS Code that is the issue, but it happens a lot too. So when we refresh now, what do we get? Failed to resolve component. Obvious list view. Did we register it? It's returning data, so saying failed to register it. Oh, it's registered now. So obvious list view. Okay. Obvious list view to be registered. Now let's close it and reopen it. Let's close it and reopen it. We've reopened it and we are running the server again. Let's see if it fixes it. Okay, do the same. Obvious list view failed to resolve obvious card placeholder. Okay, let's use the suggestion, this custom element and all of that. So let's go fix that. Make sure it's a custom element. Okay, and that will fix it via the TypeScript. Okay, there's it. There's where we'll fix that. We'll just use this code snippet I will paste now to resolve that. There's a whole lot for us to copy in. So the main thing here is to make sure that our code is seeing all of our build directories, and that is that. Okay, that is that. And okay guys, a careful look at the error log indicates that it's saying the movie card is not present in the movie's list view component. So, and another error is the movie card placeholder is not registered also in the movies list. So let's go to the movies list and see if that's correct. Yes, we don't have anything related to that, but we are calling one of it here and we're calling another here. So we need to make sure that all of these are actually there. So component, this component will then list all of the components we'll be working with. So one of it is one of the components is movie card placeholder, and another is movie card, but we don't have it. So let's go to the components this and copy this, replace it with this, and we rename one of it. So let's rename this to movie card. Let's change the name here also to movie card. All right, so for now, let's just display the placeholder, or let's put the full function so that you see how we're fetching the image from it. So for that, what we're doing is first for that, let's have what we're doing here is first we need to know the prefix for getting the image from the server. So that is it. And we use this to conditionally return where we want to use as our stuff. And this is where we do all of the stuff, all of the adding of name. Let's say here will be overview movies. So let's just leave this for now and we come back to it. So let's ensure we've registered both components in the list view to remove the error. Movie card. So we could just as well copy this and rename this to movie card. And that is that. So bring it here and say movie card. So go back to movies card. Need to tell it that okay, props off, just as we did here for the movies card placeholder. Okay, we didn't have its props. Props will be something like this. So these are proper look like once we have it here. Obviously it's view and everything should work properly. Okay, we've seen it that we're fetching the movies, especially the title. So let's see if we can conclude with adding the logic to do the title and everything. So first let's hurry and add the title to the movie card since we already have it.